How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use the Clearpay on Amazon. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is you may just go to the amazon.com on any of your browser, or you may just download the Amazon app onto your device. It is available in any of the app stores, so you may just easily download the application on the device. After that, you may just sign in or log in into your account. After that, you'll be in order to Clearpay on Amazon, there are certain methods you need to follow. So after you have entered in your Amazon account, what you need to do is select Clearpay as a payment method at checkout. After you have done checking out, you just need to select the Clearpay option as a payment method. After that, you just need to log in into your Clearpay account if you already have one. Otherwise, if you don't have, you may just sign up in Clearpay if you're new to the service. After that, just complete the checkout and order your ship as quickly as they would without any payment method. You can also pay for your purchase over for fortnightly installments. And if your order is declined, you can check that your card is active and unrestricted. Your bank hasn't blocked your card. So just follow the steps, as Clearpay is a payment gateway that allows customers to pay for purchases over time. You may pay up your Clearpay checkouts for different installments. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to use Clearpay on Amazon very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.